Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products to elevate your celebrations. With Halloween just around the corner, it's time to think about those spine-chilling, sweet treats. Today, we're featuring what I consider the best Halloween baking decorations, the 48 pieces Halloween cupcake toppers and wrappers kit by CZolden. This kit is the ultimate way to add a fun and spooky touch to your Halloween festivities, perfect for kids and adults alike. Now, let's take a closer look at this fantastic product. This Halloween cupcake kit comes with 48 pieces in total, 24 cupcake toppers and 24 cupcake wrappers. Each item features a creepy yet delightful design, including bloody zombie hands and spooky handprints that are sure to thrill your guests. Whether you're throwing a Halloween party, hosting a spooky-themed gathering, or just indulging your sweet tooth, this kit has everything you need to make your cupcakes the highlight of the night. What sets this kit apart is not just its design but also its quality. The materials used are eco-friendly and non-toxic, ensuring they are safe for food decoration. That's right, these toppers and wrappers are designed for those who want to enjoy their treats without any worry. Just a quick reminder, while they look great, these decorations are not oven safe, so be sure to use them only for serving after your cupcakes are baked. Now, let's talk about occasions. The CZolden Halloween cupcake toppers and wrappers are ideal for any Halloween-themed event. They add a special touch to birthday parties, school events, or even a cozy night in with scary movies. Imagine the fun of crafting a spooky dessert table filled with these eye-catching decorations. Not only do they enhance the visual appeal of your treats, but they also create a perfect backdrop for photos. So, get ready to capture some hauntingly memorable moments. One of the best aspects of this cupcake kit is its convenience. Assembling your Halloween treats has never been easier. Simply place the wrappers around your cupcakes, add the toppers, and you're done. This means you can spend less time stressing about the details and more time enjoying the festivities. Plus, with 48 pieces included, there's plenty to go around for larger gatherings. When it comes to baking, we all know that presentation matters. The vibrant colors and chilling designs of the zombie hands and bloody prints are guaranteed to grab attention and evoke that classic Halloween spirit. Imagine the thrill on your guests' faces as they approach the dessert table, drawn in by these fantastic decorations. They'll not only be delicious but also delightfully spooky. In summary, if you're looking to add an unforgettable touch to your Halloween baking, the 48 pieces Halloween cupcake toppers and wrappers kit by CZolden is a fantastic choice. With its eco-friendly materials, creative designs, and easy assembly, it checks all the boxes for a successful Halloween celebration. So, this Halloween, take your treats to the next level with these amazing decorations and ensure your desserts are the talk of the party. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting product reviews. Have a spooktacular Halloween, and happy baking!